There are 3 point charges which are placed at, but okay, so let us make the axis. This is the axis. Okay, 3 point charges q minus 2q and q. So q is at x equals 0, y equals a. Okay, तो यहाँ पे q है. Okay, then x equals 0, y equals 0, z is equals 0, it's minus 2q here, and a is plus q is in the direction x equals a. Okay, so this is plus q here. So now what we have to find the magnitude and direction of the electric dipole moment vector of this charge assembly. So what we can do is we can break this minus 2q into two charges, which is minus q and minus q. So now we can clearly see that for this combination, this is the dipole moment vector, and this is the electric dipole moment vector for this combination of charge. So now here the p is going to be q into the distance between both of them, so it's going to be q into a. This is also q into a. Okay, this is I cap, this is j cap. So therefore it's going to be in this direction. The vector sum is root 2 qa. Okay, and it is like 45 degrees, so it is along the line joining 0 0 and a comma a. So it is root 2k along the line joining points x equals 0, y equals 0, z, and x equals a, y equals a. That's correct. Okay, it is not k, it is not along x direction, it is not along. Okay, so a is the